yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha
aha na yamama kwaba ene eda yawada 1st of July 2021 inti afenu nyame atom waboaye ama etumi achimienu se 2 inti first half no ede akogu our prayer ene ye hope ne se erade moye na the second half of this year and also untimi emfa yentwa bare wo gidi onyankopon mu se de o hye no nyamapa ase no ode bekọ awie papa onyame de yaka so obeye no enye den a obeye che ne beche enso kapa de enka hoda ade bia ni wanyankopon so nsa wo mu a enipa ebetumi ase no da enunti che ne so se bosumi nson ene de dikan a na ye de ase da kese manyankopon enka ne no na enka ne afofida enso ne ma asesa esi afofida no akọ 7th of January a Republic Day and as a minor Constitution Day inti ye ka se ye ne enye afofida na so na 1st July inti asundie mu na ye da twedi ampon ase na ya sere ne se oman Ghana ya sumdua oman no ye wo no oman no enkoso entra ho saa entumi emfa emaye din ede Michael Nana Adomako be frame se Mike atra se aye Kumawood television we are live on Facebook ko Facebook Kumawood TV like no share na manfo so enya bi ahwesa so na ko YouTube so Kumawood TV bomodiana efule ho so na nsema hodo ye di ho komo no wonso otimi enya bi atie enya bi ahwe ya transi enyamre na yatumi adi enkomo still but you see it 20 de echepa no nya de se beja sheda ebeguso a ahyeche no talking about the issue of security in our country and others will say insecurity in our country ejura in the Ashanti region of Ghana the sea war finano kwesiada eba besi enei na yeguso ayetnase yedi ho enkomo abrantie kaka Ibrahim anakaka Ibrahim Muhammad ni wu ye menam so ema nipa mienu Nazel ene ne ba ko ka ho omo so aposifo na sojafo betututu le kan omo nipa miensa se 9 nei omo ato nanom e won siedo within a space of 3 days ewo ejira in Ashanti region ho nkomo ena yeguso a yedi amambo ebre ena akasa ede tia de course no enra emanya ntiesa His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana Nana Akufo Addo ede aba say the Interior Ministry no enhwe na in 10 days omo enti committee emfa and some de course nyina no emu nhwemu and recommendations into me emra wampani say gina so sa condemning the etumi asie no sanso na Ghana mampenda da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enso akasa tia de course so e wadwasa twedumase na mabusuafo nyina yakọ akire say His Excellency the President Nana Akufo Addo enhwe na the course of my Ghana no in terms of insecurity no to into me entwa no nkobo e wa ha enyamre na yedi na nsem no see here na manfo ya se kasa ebusa a lot of questions say those who were calling for nyansafo, those who were calling for peace, those who were criticizing the previous government no sangro for no say omo hen me no ka say they said the National Peace Council enso ababonten abe condemn the course so ewo ejira na no da na nipa be miensafa ho ato na no monsie de no yomo kan say they also welcome the president directives are o say enye nhwemu e manfa de sie no ehon nkobo e wa ha ebenyamre na eno nso yetumi edi ene enwumre ya transi agencha de beba na enyamre etumi akenkan e de ama na ensam de badodo no ano na kasa e dey afa ho Bulldog once again as I hit back and so enya ground the same issue PNC so e dey aba say nyame e ya adoma enchekra omo ebe ha hye na afi no omo di 30th anniversary no so no abetoja 30 years na PNC amanyoko no omo tie omo so no omo di na amanyoko no eso wi Bernard Mona na hwan kra bi atik mo efiri mu a party no ejana so de well ebenyamre na yatumi edi hon so enkomo na ekopie mu ewo agbugbulosi a ene wodi ho nkomo bebre se Greater Accra Regional Minister say ekwan bia so manfo a omo agbugbulosi market na omo ton jene onion sellers no ewo say eyi omo ede omo call another place na afi etimi bua na development foforo ekoso ewo ho eno ho nsam na motete say omo kofa jujuman bi ma regional minister ka say obi antimi nkunu ya de ade no a ene na deadline na ewo say onion sellers no omo a movie in fact na enya agro koye tournament to pa omo ni apost for the boni a no ka say enya agro enso ewo ho eno so ensem bibire no so ho na onion sellers no men tell say because last month we say omo any minister ina call the new place ho that kotoku ho ema omo kojitum so omo beko nim de see enti a afi de omo yes afa mo ntan nkobio ne ade ade I don't know ama ni ehu de ehu no so nkomo wa post for so ensa eka am Roberts bia omo se omo edipone my Ghana ama ni itu atumi akabi no so nkomo so ha benyamre na yatumi edi the CID boss and our pan central for million match so sere omo a ade ba kwa so pa my Ghana enye pa any stories bia ya publish na enye nhwehmu emfancy ase na efiti ane publish stories no o say yes e mo post for e ma won sujuma de mu de kura no entumi enwemu di enti yemoden na entumi eni sajuma no so nsam enso e wa ha e benyamre na yatumi edi ho enkomo na onum se nei ya betoja enso ene se buffer stock a woma SHS for nuano no me se ya sorte ma hes ni bikura no atase a omo complain se nuane e wo se ba no enye se nuano no na eba ma nei ma fa ndodo no ano nuane one way na omo eye die the information we are also picking is that buffer stock for no sika ba ne de ma wo mo for duane no se eye emo a ebia ana se eburu no one bag abonten ebia na mfa se for instance 500 Ghana cedis but then upiemu na 500 Ghana cedis no o ko buffer stock wa na ebia ba ne ma be 350 Ghana cedis na so mo kwa do mo so na bonten no ne bo no kwa aye din asend aba na de ma mo ntia ma nei nuane no eho akot makakra ewo ho a no so no eho sem asase ebobo ba some de ados ya trans nyamre na yetumi edi enkomo hyene so se aseda pc enko enfama do boss bo asase ono na kama koma ma wotu ultimate tra TV achi ehwe na umeki meaningful contribution to this show sanso de bi nkoma ya boafo a omsere bi adam no sika so ya sene mede djumade no etumi ede ebrewo we our travel and logistics our travel and logistics our travel and logistics and I say en kan say na dey o pese utu kwanko Dubai na okoye adwuma o nkonko sa keke okoye adwuma ma ne matumi akoso de ama wo de a ene na our travel and logistics and I can for the amamre pamu e mo nkobo ebetudwa sanso and a Godsway casket shop e wo Kumasi Asafo Labor Runabout and a Godsway casket shop no akache no wo esan emphasize enfama Tawhid na to party clinic and also wo Kumasi Odumbodi Junction Kumaru Training Institute so boy sanso and afi Madam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center and so wo atibie escafo amanta wunyina edem ska so yasem ede djumade no etumi ede abro live on Kumaru television yatrasi ene eda yawada so as usual on Thursdays it is His Excellency Akwasi Adey Odike leader and founder UPP amanyuku no ono sanso ena Paul Kwabena Yando and so NPP financial secretary as constituency vying for Ashanti regional deputy secretary for the NPP ono so ba Alhaji Sani be 3 weeks ni mu hu Alhaji se na mo fa ncha ne pa se ebia na so mutumi hu ba next week there it's a promise say Alhaji beba but then nya dey a wo beti Alhaji nka ansa na etimi akon so no adwen kire wo de beba numbers no go screen ase no voice note and afi so WhatsApp messages any ordinary messages no de ba we yamre na afi yetimi akenkan e de ama hyene so so wo join Facebook nso a obetimi anya ho Kumawu TV YouTube and so Kumawu TV na afi yetimi edi enkomo breaking the 8 commenter and I say slogan and NPP edi aba in 2019 the NPP started the issue of 4 more for Nana and indeed they were able to get a 4 more for Nana after 2020 general elections making the NPP become the second again Nana Akufo-Addo winning the second again was signed at the Aba NPP for the Aba said breaking the 8. The question we are asking this afternoon is it possible per what we are seeing a Juma party no a Juma aban no ne papa mu ne boni mu do you foresee NPP breaking the 8 aban bi aba another Fourth Republic no NDC NPP ekono wo ne sa otoma NPP will you vote for them again to break the 8 ana and also nkomo ene nyamre na yetumi edi sanso ene dwa yesi ye e wadwa sachedum ase and also nkomo wo ha enyamre na afi yetumi edi excellency atrase ema na kwaba na afi wi ntwa ho enye abafo nkratomra na emenyamre na insinipi ankasa na nei ne outfit no wow otumi say yes enye sikani enkuni premier ni na mo mudi kan ba kumase ane de indeed mabobra na hu o mo so otumi say yes somo kra no a somo ntadiem his excellency atrase whenever akwa
ya nua
ana de sen da
hwenu ama amro besi bi ama me na pensu ide
ehu
aish
o sa na mu hu na
agina na nsem na de wada wo na Ghana fo timo hwe ade pa na Akufo-Addo o man no wasem bia ne wafa no biem ade a no wura ne se the childhood aspiration so be president no wonya tran konyan so dia ka bia ne wafa no bi
but obi so better ka say looking at Nana Akufo-Addo in the first term fantastic minim dia the other compare another First Republic aban obaye and the first term ultimate social intervention programs by my Ghana for majority of Ghanaians are benefiting ajiatu say indeed tokoswo have bo man na minim say another Fourth Republic if we could compare him to any president the first term in office
mama ncheti for ne mo amohwe
for Joseph
you see Nana Akufo-Addo 2016 enyama okaso be ya ma Ghana for the need mo akotre pa ye corruption what the corruption to nchen a the na to sumienu ne say ye tisika so eso come dey what the no to nchen a one district one factory one village one dam me bobo ne ma no so akire one village one dam $1 million every year per constituency ambulance free education Minua NPP as a political party we are capitalist inclined. What it means is that if we ohia baba
okay
omutu hiase it is already Nana Akufo-Addo interventions now we one village one dam a promote to agriculture senke ye a eno to anye yi ana free education prepare man for future. And finally, one district, one factory. NPP as a political party, Nana Akufo-Addo was fear of all the socialism abedi nanim kan ene wagya capitalism na to socialist inclined politics ne say aban ebeboa mo a munni bi
okay
capitalist inclined ne say ye migrate yan for do na mo ma be yeskafo it will empower people to become rich
okay
and then this one say ya ti ase say yam no ye de niam bi beba beboa mo a ebe so mo hia na no
okay
it is that before then yanom ko sa tangent say ye de free niam aba na che so mo institutionalize poverty institutionalization of poverty
how
na menua obi a hia no de no ore
de hia no
obi a hia no de be pa no nya na ni bagi
oh there so de wo hwe ni mu a say iskani benya na so peso benya bi
eska eti akwan be ni pa be fa so anya ska so empower no
yes
but try me to about school fees ma enya empowerment
and only one aspect of it say wo twen ama kwala no so wo empower nipa no so awia na ba ho sa kwala no so anyini na be wulumai
masa tie me ka no empowerment means creating more opportunities for people free education ba kwa for implementing no ankoye or the buga na implementing free education now there were a lot of ideas here the beboa ama free education no ye implement ama enya resource at the moment parents ka mo bo ho ebi kwa fees and your school fees na better and uko 39 days no better fee 90 days e just say na Kufuor need a detailed plan to implement it but when populace me the economy nya vote populism what about one village one dam me catch say na do baby awiase adu no dam o person wo ye no it won't serve the purpose now opa busa baby dam no say agriculture there no mo dey ma me no call ya say na mo come me 2.5 million 2.5 billion which is 250,000 some me fan ko dam na dam be na mo hwe awo kum se na o ko dam on the cancer
o say entimi ye meaningful dam
na ye pe meaningful dam na say pe dam a chese dam aba me kwa ke to mututu bo ho awo nkrofomfom ni em bring water what do we call it surface irrigation at the farm gate ye tutu bo fonu ni emfa solar powered machine India for ibi we are na between so the free form aba reservoir na ke amamo pipes aya abobole body to go eti ade de sprinkler say no eti no say afuo wura na time so obeso water na fu a no abi ba okoye dam no obi afuo 10 kilometers away from the dam ada no access dam no
but the okaka nyina no campaign promises are omoye in 2016 before coming to power but so because omoba so at least they have been able to touch on ebia boss nyina no ba okura na beka say bi omoba no omon chase kra so it's a plus to them ana
now no say ko card be na resource a liability to the nation
which of them na resource no
one village one dam cheme efu omo dey aye ya da so kra jeni ya ka tomatoes ya ka twinam ade bi omo ka say ya dam no a ebe ma ya jai mitigate importation ya da so ye dam no opa ko sem say efu be na ya aye it is liability a causing financial loss to the state we must must one district one warehouse
yeah
abro ba ko kura nem
adware no nyina bi nim
oh and abro ya ko 500 Ghana busa poultry farmers so mun na kuru Sudan poultry farmers opa frɛ obi o ya poultry farm this year
do you foresee say omuntu bi break 8 no
we are atomizing woman do more edit out to
Masa enwa so na Ghana for so e base on it amre to abama 20
abawe
20
now ka se to abawe man na do pa said ye wonu anim ne oye ya odi tia konwa no so na e ka 7 months wontimi nyi you ministers ne si wo sunwe obi a wo abema wo to aso never in the history of this country by the way my main first we ntwam na do ye besrew me nipa wonyan who say flood victims flood here by nipa 7 awu regional minister nye statement president Kufuor wonye statement
omomu kumase ano
yes
okay
ya atorentem say atoyen your president I want to mean for statement of condolence kurama abontin masa let me tell you if we are say yes say nyame amo hene na kofa nkyesa esonkwa enyema ketenkete atwi nipa ma nipa hunu say nipa na ye di na chi no kwa opaya sem look at sabre esu ayira fankofo nipa nso wu president mean for statement ba kokora ba bonten na Queen Elizabeth kunu wu ye no hwe de we na Kufuor bi ye wu ya mo ama ya mistakes here do abedi yenim
ene me bi ho so a ye mfa ne se ebia abe normal thing to us ye mfa ne sa
normal now ka se umi aka normal ma
no I'm asking because
no we are journalists don't go down
no I'm asking because tesi da you are aware
na Kufuor person na esie enipa wu anu obu na ni aguzo techima uma election time omu we wan kan hore violence see if was Accra by election
yeah na ayawa so west we go
ayawa so
but the commission we are aware
commission akosi sai na me no tedi na akosi hwe enipa accident bi wa nipa 19 no ma wunu the president is silent
bibia na president emeka
of course
because or the ministers
please don't go there
why
I am to about my minister biawo when you say bedi ani it is so some prayer make catch you saying Mr. Regional Minister Okruma one point to me issue statement so what are you talking about
but Obeka Safa asem no hono say o Ghana for the AC me wampani me ya nyina no ye ho yakọ no eno na so problem no and I said the action nankasa na ebe say ebi nsi bio no
action there enipa 7 the wu ye but here this time so sa to a manu su simina so one ra ebe ye more devastating than this
that's a solve problem
dabi na Kufuor odni na adwene ni okra dia ya ka ebe kwa ba betu biem opa kobo ne date
do you foresee them breaking the
8 be no mu break MPP ni NDC se Ghana for pa be tiemia ye mo mu nchanche ne ye ade se Ghana for mu tiemi obi a wo party a wo pe but se Ghana ye the party se mo to and ye se ye nationalistic ye mo ba be ye bi ye obi aka se MPP ni NDC nya ria ye godopo o ma be ye bi ba ba bi a Ghana for wo sisia no ye pe ogifo bi a obe fast track ya brabo obe man ye ma bi akọ anim because se mo de Ghana ma me ametimaye de tia ametimaye ne se ye common enemy power wo sisia e constitution no
okay
sa constitution when enam no ka say ayi ba association for crowd statement aba say presidency any reforms sa constitution we lawyers ni MPP for bra ye promulgate o mo se o mo nko na ye bogus constitution but ye bra Kufuor dia bedi akonya waka na no ato na Kufuor dia bedi akonya do you know why e favor aban na obeba so no ye ne ati o mam no e di enya ba bibi ni andi sia kanre ye wura ta mess nko ane hu se no me mepe me nko ame de nko me manfo obre ano o constitute committee a o mayo mo adwuma nyina awie e de recommendations ni bibia aba o mienu nyina do mama ne na Kufuor e de ahye carpet ase because e na ba Ghana for ni bete ye na ba Ghana for ho betoye America ma che dom constitution 25 times because enipa enyini no na sakraye ba ye demographic ni bibia mu etudimi Rollins me kan wa sema ma Rollins ba bonten before so be wo or after 25 years I use constitution we emra so say system
Into by president, Oberhama, review a constitution.
And Yama baby, and Yama baby, your consul, now MP, what the parliament every 4 years, Yaman 600,000. Me look as a MP, who pay 15,000 a month. Yaman a car.
Can I say any free?
Me pacho listen, now we are in Yaka. Yaman a car was at the committee, so. Or if you're not be so better everything, no. So be coffee, Yaman 600,000. As gracious.
Subject to review. So a baby no 600,000.
Aye.
Says in Edru.
Me kasi sias. Minua. Indemnity clause. E she constitution. Amen pen for the jeans mu na mo mfa. And table ayi South Africa ex-president president.
Former
Jacob Zuma. Ya jeli no. Ofra konwa so ya jeli no. Chese mre ya dwuma kromo. Se na akufo do fi se do be ye bia no. Ya nya de tumi na ma na wie. Okwa emre bia nchekere no ye nye no hu no okọ.
Na nka emre bi ebe nchekere na nka osusu se wampani o free akonwa so a emre be na de no waya nka betumi na kwaje.
Ye obi okra onu anka setieti adofo ahudi so. A o se ni paditimi nya tumi. No ne ekobusa se ebra na wote akonwa so no ade we ade ye me na famra kwem ba wote akonwa so ntina mentimi anya akwanya enu wani wote ase enu na chese de tumi ma wontimi mfanya de ope bia by constitution we ma mo ekwan mo de edupe or appointed 5,000 people as ne appointees omu nyina ba ne cronies na de me yakwa wo parliament say executive arm of government esako parliament akwa yi members of parliament ayo mu ministers na be na impeach president da we cannot impeach any president as one making I am not being partisan ya be boa Ghana fo nyinara
Emma obi metena so emeye no emeye se bibia ye media de me pe na meye se ye danya ne ade na kufu ado be kan fa na dia ye beda be nyane bia wo se ye kopia judgment debt judgment debt ani e wo akwanya se etwa 80 million no wo de akodu 170 million and above but we say bia managing the economy no any one or two things bia do you see His Excellency to be a fantastic president in terms of qualities? Pandemic, the way minor, we are seeing him in that way.
If we are seeing lens, any Ghana lens, a different. Politicians can maneuver their way up there. Say, "Mumba ma baso." It may outside the baso body me. Yeah, that's just a manika se minjo. If in 1992 be seen no. Successive government I have so many programs. Palms card, wine, high epic, so many of them. IMF at what me I recommend they say abane born morning. You two abane go IMF for say and then yet. What studies are there? A check Ghana for say your leaders no we the back and call of Abrofono. It's Abrofono is backseat drivers. And we macro managing through our leaders. Eti abanu wa akonwa so sesie ya do be bia no abofo ebe ka ma no atum ana abofo na hu se ade omu ye bia na de ye kwayachi do na ya no so na abofo ye omu pese ye beba ye ni because Africa is the virgin continent how we exploit eti the moment Africa ye ni betie no ebe ha abofo pa eti omu pe leaders a omu betimi omu be back seat drivers no mo amakro manage obi a person odi no bia no mfa kwa misuku no Cote d'Ivoire to esi ho na a part of it Cote d'Ivoire products o mo produce nyina no I just France na je ko world market alo mo so mo ntiase Patrick Lumumba no mo ye Olympia no Togo so many of them Gaddafi no o mo nyina ye abrofo no e de hye me no ka say MPP breaki 80 o breaki 20 they don't have anything to turn the fortunes of this country around. Adio ye no nam kromo a amanfo su nyina ne se ato abanuam. Ba bia mafa programs amakọ ba bia mawura bi obi aso ato abanu no. But dem ya wa MPP for one say this twilight old man or say Ghana ni MPP party MPP omo anya kono sesiye
which is on the cell because also or one person is a party no in government. Why do we have to blame one person?
The day blame say party that didn't bear for more government. Or by no within the party no crown there are so many internal wranglings. Ah, my deal that man.
And of course, any day
wait. Maybe Manana Kufuor Yinyi ni CEOs on form the government in Yinwi. Kobon date. Obehun na mebeso.
Right, I was Ogoso Sinopi. We are live on Kumawu Television. His Excellency Akwasi Adeodike, leader and founder UPP Amanyukuno. I said that Biano, but the monster and share. Said the monster another Kufuor share, you know. Now Muhunu say Ghana into me and Konanima. So already 4 years pay. Nanka Banku Yanama what to naturally out of France Waba. So on our tin and cano. I didn't channel by numbers no young friends so the more friend Munyai WhatsApp line or the voice note and I say WhatsApp message by first Waba Niam Rack and Cardi. My voice note manam rantem Niam into me and Kenka and for Emma Deputy Ashanti Regional Secretary hopeful for the NPP Honorable Maxwell Kofijima Nebapa Nyanchankra. And I feel so or Asqa Constituency Financial Secretary Paul Kwabena health practitioner on the short transfer. Paul Kwaba
say Mike mejo so
a biaboko there
nyamia
you know no designer no watch the say
no fasusu de enye yi
of father so on there
thank you yi biago no de ahwe ni party an kebeboa wo because me be Mr. Land Cruiser sisu what you say oba ne dress ni ne bibia enso party office ba kukura no ya bi what you say any wedding komo umie party office ba kukura
say MPP dey na party no MPP dey na page no eburo ne gu opa ko the whole country say MPP be one officer a obi tia no a eburo ne entertain
na say obi so kwa squad no utwam ya tumu oh squad e mu amudie utwam won so ba bi da at elections
I form no center
Shamas
na sro no na
won agba na ni magu ase
onim de o
Shamas ye mama ba bi o de koma mi wie Shamas
me mic
ana ma mi runu ana ekoso man ena wi ase no physical office and said that
bibia
me ba yes
oh yeah
onim se
zuma o to da
o stand in WhatsApp yes
onim asema wo kan wo de twen no
me so stand in WhatsApp message edi yes
of what dem go ase me ba o secondly MPP obi fie dada no mako penti animu ye be to aba me se siam no ka say opa ma cameraman o cameraman for the whole country say MPP office ben ye bi akofo bro na yi negum asana kete
say ya to aba wi ntie
party bi to aba wi obi akọ ekọ na ki
Paul breaking the 8 odike hu ne say ase enema am promise Ghana for ene say ya mu hye nema no so no kra tena haka say mbetuma break 8 na abre nyame
say Mike manu angifio na obeso mu gidigidi
so bo mi o ka o de o bo mi din kwa de me ka sama mo
etino say Mike
ka o de awoni
penny4
Joso
owura Simon Semensa mechia no na ma je say baby ameko bia no
boni din pa o
boni din because me one person I believe in peace
okay
sasumdwe wo ho a na development bia open on sabiti maka me hu kra na me ni masante atmagu
okay
na wo mo fulani for how but na nado dan kwa akofo Dubai or the regional minister by Urasa Mosemensa ye hu anything of that sort
binim say fulani for no omusi ye demarcation bi cattle ranch ho no e de ma omo eno aba be na ye e sa say da be omo ba na be cattle ranch no oh okay
I see eno ntino eba amamu enhihye ne ade dia meminim me kama na sisu dia se de ekoso adwure yi nim se ordinary form a bibia beba fo me chia no na anwumre na me chia party penifo mo region ni omo amane ma ya akono owo odike de o ka che na o ntie but the very ade ma wo ye in existence no wan hwe ansi am pen puma sibra de bia ho becho because we kasa si ya bedru election ya ye kwakoya because of all lucky basic things in it am I won't mean qualify
basic things in the
Pacho ebine say yes o call for G signatures near there.
I said no.
Pacho wunti.
Pacho the bono Ghana dey no court.
Pacho the American say idea abeni bring na no. We be office ato ho. Membership formation any enrollment.
So do you believe in that we know? Do you believe in it?
Oh Pacho it could happen because new office.
No, OGD. Because OGD. It's a question.
It can happen.
The gentlemen can OGD.
Me say, na mama no na di paper. Me paper is too far.
I'm asking the question. OGD.
I trust the easy.
Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Obra, gentlemen, make that pronouncement. I say, yeah, the omo ma CID so omo criminal we nti omo nkwachi wo mo. Yes. We get it here. Yes. Ye nche no. Ya to abawie more than 6 months.
Minia. Ofa wo mo ayenchi wo mu de ase ma kra e ba say wo see eti no. Nti should we trust the EC
for seeing say Krofo Ghana am person be di mampani. According to the EC no, omo fa kwambone so. Na wo so de omo see the mechi wo mo na up to date. Yenchi wo mo. Do you trust the statement? I'm only asking if you trust the statement.
Yeah, but the American say the very idea Emma we here in existence. Okay. Also with two.
Okay, so that's the advice. Breaking the eight.
Me say me contest election 2012 under Afarijan.
Yeah.
Nana Kufuor no na say me too popular e wa Santa region.
Obese vote.
Obese vote. Adu mko she easy.
Okay.
Edman ko president and ko yes ade no.
Anonso ne dey.
Utumi ka kire me. Say wo yama contest.
Wala ka kire
utumi.
So on ban contest election
6 months before the election. I for me poor brother me tell. Me ya ho right up. Ni enya koto abakra.
I remember some say Brebu can assassin.
Yes. Say yes you me one now for ah. We say there's a big hand on my party now. E be this with my father.
Me say
obi na ebone obi am father bi da.
Be office.
Now the ni pa
office.
Big hand ben.
Okay, don't go no.
What's that?
Oh, my own office.
Everywhere.
Oh, if I go. Boy,
this is Sinupi. Who's that own company?
But
my card, you be what clear. Maybe I pour. I mean, who's a Sinipino? What the topic am I?
Yeah.
And now only as more Kentino.
That's why
I all personalize me, maybe. Catch and say, and I could for one take party that. Me a Matidi.
Yeah.
Na Akufo will be partner of a father and the BD president.
Okay.
It is an offer be part of Sammy and one make his attempt to concern it.
Okay. So Paul, breaking the 8.
Yeah. Pato no me you. And I'm
China ya do.
Maybe me see me party mpanimfo.
Okay.
Me chia wo mo.
Okay.
Na wo mo hyehyeye enenne ama ye to about 2020. MPP timi di nkunim. Because of a etie ka say about to ya nto amai nti me man basis no
Ghana for person omu say entiane ya ede na maya mo break 8 no Ghanaians are listening, they are watching. Let us know the kekra say aban bia kra maya what so a was ato so bi wa in 7 months untimi appointee only na appointees nwie
e bi see that
semai.
Yes sir.
Me say me can asemu what I say na me wie na kama address we nyina
we are callers get the
American say
they are ready for them.
The American say share na edigu akwem.
Yeah.
What I say tie party mpanimfo a omde nhye gu akwem da bia no me chia wo na me chia party mpanimfo so omo constituency level am free a me ba enema omde gu akwem every time and a Buama polling stations na yeto aba ho no etimi nya massive abato ho ma etimi di nkonem ti da bia da na hu hia se ye be kai wo mo na ya chia wo na ya show mo nkran se de o mo ye no ye ni je ho.
Okay.
The Mike me chia me godfather Honorable Maso Kofi Dwuma waba Kumasi.
Oh, around
weekend you were ye kese.
Oh, okay.
Pa na yiri nuaba ha ye wo friend say de chemso
wanka fra
ha ti
nso me na dia nso we can see ntiga
say Mike ye ka amamuo ana amanyosemo a eye eniema ye digu akwan mu abre ne bri nyina eno na ma Ghana fo ehu ni se wo no wani so ade hu no enie ipa da sani kura no wote ho a eye how o ka onsem and how I would 2 1 amount and the man say me buy dear and I need pay dear and she share power in so what I say o makra o no motifi and yema odi begu akwam say na wa hwehwe niema ama wo mo say yes ye papa dwen ye what I say and no ti MPP amamwo no and MPP aban no ye hunu clearly say ye share policies ebua Ghana for what you say mechanics because there was a time in this country NDC for led by former President John Dramani Mahama omkoji bibi efeno policy credibility ete say enyema kra ye digu akwam kwa adi say bronifita bewe say nyansa wo mu anase nyansa ni what you say but with MPP there ye nyema ye digu akwam no ye hia bronifita wo na eba so Ghana for budget yeso Bako any free SHS ofate ha worker say ya implementing ye and the cost rubber form is a legacy. Nobody can take it away from MPP and Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. What I say? We have all been through secondary school and the young one is say sikasemunti ebimunti mi nko school. What I say? Entino president way any swade hunu say may all forms of sikasam African and here abrabum ama watima ko school wa openya sound mind eti de bia na meka me say enkwara ya pass e ya nkofo wanwa but it goes to tell you say Ghana ni akwara no wonya sumdie a wotimi sua ade yiye
but of course free education do ehia na bebre
I talk with passion.
First year, see, last month, June. June. Almost
39 days, 90 days,
for almost 3 months. I first year from 1. Of course, you have a crab in 3 months. Don't do things.
We have told you time with that number. Say that now the contact hours from Kwalano, yeah, tum.
I do saying.
Oh, now they spend more time with the teacher. What you say? Your time and now free. Now your man crying for 3 months, Anna. Near man crying. What are we doing to ourselves? Say, Mike, I don't understand. Say, a diner, a siwano, a buying a see. Library, I buy the books, I buy boom. Teacher near watch, I buy the piano car. Headmaster, I buy the piano car. Pantry woman, I buy the piano car. Bus is who I buy bus. Science resource, I buy the now buy Kotia Crown school fees here. Yes, I say. I been doing what? Me yes here. About 80 to 90% of cost there was school when you know. I buy it here. Just 10% of our colony to advance my home more bo. 18 school fees, you know, my home, I mean, first you can't stand home. And our phantom provisions in Mount Nafabre school, no, and you're wrong. I don't get it.
I don't
get here and crab be any scholarship. Me was school. Now you will cocoa scholarship or on credit binya. Yeah, be. But you could see them, sir, they are almost sound mind because you tear school fees, you know. It is the same I extended to every Ghanaian, no, and you're the papa. I don't get it. It's about time, Sanya wunti na ya uyana koyo bia. And say my sao. So if you are talking about breaking the enter, yenim fasu dudua, awufo ninya. Akraba ku interview no, what see? Me menya na me bon pa ye say aban ne beto aso. E ma me nuanu amudi machi, omo so aba be benefit.
So you want to
to munema ye. She said the NDC for IPAC omuso omunko na omu dia group.
We need 2020 elections based on free SHS. Ubejedi.
A fact.
Okay. Apart from free SHS, he touched on more 1 district, 1 factory, 1 village, 1 dam, 1 constituency, 1 warehouse. Is it an operation?
Minya, and now bubo bodi. Bubo bi ka ho ne swa. Why na ba ya wotimi hu ni say also ya mama crowd former president wotimi be a commander to go factory crowd. Hwe say na hu ohuri di ni ti agobo nyankopon po. What I say? Commander Sugar Factory anti produce atrema of sugar. Kwese de no wo high adwe wo man mu. Na here about 70-year companies teaming up with the private sector. Yetima ye no. And I will be body yo. Yen kase ye be sit down me bi ni wiase. Na mom no bibi e betima ma akuafo no enya all year round water. Have water wo mun foodie so. That is what we want to achieve. Na say adini kwa new team na wo bi di bia ba must you condemn it? Wo dia wo koye ye. Ekosi sai. Can say pebra wo kodua nwia ekosi sai. And confirm amunye ya omuko moki na ba ya ekosi sai. Sister Mike Patomami flow. There are good number of projects including roads. And they can kwaya enye ekwaya wo book mu o. Me de me kan kwetire bratonsu behe me no na tie behe me area afanko to Boko last stop na ye for 8 years nie na NDC afa trema ba kokura nguso what you say kwatonsu dada any friend say agogo community market area ya ho akwan nyina da ena ye nka akwan wo green book mu former president Mahama Noah dodo su pepesu road odi medina state of the nation the most one road any other the state
but ekwan na mo ye enso kumase ya nso to ye na ohuru bi ko mo ya we
me say ahuru bi kwa
asphalt na bi na ohuru ko
say they are making ahuru bi kwa majority ni ohuru ye
okay
what you say unlike dodo su pepesu ana make catch say ye be ka state of the nation mu ye wie na ekwan na ahuru di contractor nachi contractor ni wie kwa ni do end no na ahuru di nachi. That is what we are talking about.
Well, it is
and breaking the eight now. Sir Mike, me catch will say I'm aspiring to be the deputy secretary of the region. And ya grow in here, we are going to propagate the good works of MPP. Whoever thinks say we are better than MPP, no, I'm not in charge. Bra, na in charge. The Ghanaian youth may go to us. Compare the two parties. If you are MPP for your saints, if you are doing things wrong, criticize us, and that is what we want from the opposition. And you are broad opposition. Always know, can someone any of a I for me, news of the name of offering Drew Mike here in Mubekuno.
No, that's
what I said.
If you are the policies,
hey, I go for the team.
The policies.
To the TV station who did papaya terms. What I say?
Policies.
What you fix your own party. What's the one here?
Okay. We are live on Kumaru television. Why didn't send a Fabra voice note? One man tell me and Yamre at me about Eddie Amau. Voice note no ebo 1 minute. I don't know ebo 1 minute na another can echegu. Intiana was summarize one semno at me Eddie Amau. Breaking the 8. How fixable is that agenda by the NPP? Ye kwaba ye ba ye borom de was see adwira na afi Yamre abedimu enkomo asia.
What don't work that. Animudia me man for nyibintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a che no wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya adwuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda oda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma fe na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom osa glue ankasa nkra no osa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa oba bi na wono ne kodaaye afede ye obema no kwati na twa wura mu a ase
eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi ho na wo de no ayɛ den ɔno be ma hia pa na nsuo ne nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ɛno no wo ba mɛkyerɛ wo kwan no wo be kono sɛ ɛbɛyɛ mmerɛ
okay
a wo bɛnyem easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ɛne danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ɛne ne nsia Kumawood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu ɛna osukɔ na ɔhaw ɛda oso no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri hɔ emfa emawo ɛtwerɛ yare bia ɛdam usika ɛna ayera na wɔhwɛ ɔjapade bi na obi ɛnam kwa bi so agye afiri nsɛm utu gold ɛna opɛsɛ onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden ama wo ba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden ama wa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
Enyaruwa hodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo Tahrid Naturopathic Clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri Clinic di amawo Madam Katri Clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie nipadua no ne titiw ede ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri Clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Katri Clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
well all pia obusa yi say free mu mo ye den ti be slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ye den ama me ti we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diguma na ma me wai
ebusa yenko Kumase
munko Kumase
Martin Luther
oh it's been a long time oh yeah
me say Minia obra kwantu yawo semina na ma yanka twenani ahwedan yo ne busu afani asoma me semina me pada do Kumase akamara na me so bia chini yenya adaka yi
na nsani mo na wada so a mo hia me de woni problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai beturu Ghana ana me na na kwabedantwi woto na nan mo ansia do ne eja yi ne bo me so e wa brede me ni kapre odu obi na kire me Ghostway casket shop a e wo Kumase labor hire me ko ho no ma ana mo sa ne me yesi kan hye ye o
wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me famra no ani so abezu ye se me ambulance na me sam fe de be da no enka
ambulance ani de be da ho omu ye ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye ye ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se Kumase stay by plan o ye ko na mo kire o some Ghostway casket shop ye wona ka me bere te se de mo hu ni na Ghostway casket shop ye wo Kumase in front of New Town ye di labor office na ben Ghostway casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Yasai ababio. Say dear. Yase. Ye ma ye tiefo. Ene ya hwefo nyina. Esua nsano dwuma. Wei eye nsano dwuma. Ene ti se woni nsano dwuma. Bomodian se obenya nsano dwuma. Entra Ghana ha se obaye dwuma ba kope na wo de ayeye. Dabi esese wonya dwuma bebre. Eka dwuma wo ye ho. Sana ye tukwa akwa abrochi a ye no. Eno nti bra ne besua adwuma ni bi. Eka wo dwuma bi a woyɛ ɛho ɛno nti no sɛ deɛ yɛde adwuma foforɔ ɛna de aba yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ wo bees making ɛyɛ sɛnea yɛsi di ahweneɛ ɛyɛ chain ɛyɛ bags ɛyɛ mpaboa ɛyɛ yɛ nneɛma bebree braneɛ nkyerɛw sɛnea yɛsi ɛyɛ no mushroom farming ɛno yɛ sɛnea yɛsi adua mmire wonim sɛ wobɛtumi de naawɔtwe mmienu pɛ adua mmire ama na fifi abɔ kama ama wɔtumi atu adi anaa wɔtumi atu akɔtɔn braneɛ nkyerɛw sɛnea yɛsi ɛyɛ no yɛnuanom akuafoɔ yɛgu so afrɛ mo sɛ mommra na mombɛsua sɛnea yɛsi yɛ weed side aduru a yɛde gu nhaban so ama no hye ɛhye aseɛ koraa wabere a ɛntimi ɛnka aduane no a ɛwɔ mu no braneɛ nkyerɛw sɛnea yɛsi yɛ no snail farming bra sɛnea yɛsi ɛyɛn ɛnwa wobɛtumi ayɛn ɛnwa ama no anyini kama ama wo nso wakɔtɔn ɛde ɛnyɛ wo sika wɔtumi de ayɛ wo nkwan papa bi braneɛ nkyerɛw sɛnea yɛsi yɛ no yɛbɛsa nso akyerɛw 3D epoxy ɛna 5D epoxy sɛsɛ deɛ sɛ mo a monim sɛ sɛsɛ 3D ɛne 5D epoxy woyɛ wo dan mu a ɛte hyerɛnhyerɛnhyerɛnhyerɛn afei nso yɛbɛsan so akyerɛw liquid soap saa liquid soap yi wobɛtumi atɔn yɛbɛkyerɛw shower gel ɛyɛ sinesi yɛ shower gel ama edi dware ama yɛ honam ɛyɛ trom bra na yɛn kyerɛw sinesi ɛyɛ brown sugar a wode bɛyɛ nneɛma bebree atɔn asanya sika yɛbɛsan so akyerɛ mo sinesi yɛ power zone afei nso yɛbɛkyerɛw sinesi ɛyɛ tomato paste no ɛno ɛne yɛfrɛ no tea tomatoes bra na yɛn kyerɛw kama na fa yɛ wɔduane wobɛtumi so ayɛ akɔtɔn ama wɔnya sika bebree yɛbɛsan so akyerɛw ice cream woyɛ de hyɛ wo fridge mu a dɛdɛɛdɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa yɛkyerɛw na yɛgyew 300 Ghana cedis pɛ wobɛdi kan asɛnde 50 Ghana cedis na afei yɛde register ɛde ama wo yɛregister wo a sɛ wofiri akyiri ɛna woba a na yɛbuku baabi a wɔbɛda ɛno akyi no yɛde bi ɛbɛyɛ handout ɛde ama wo yɛbɛsan so ayɛ pen drive a video anaasɛ ne yɛbɛkyerɛ no nyinaa nso yɛde bɛgu so na ɛde ama wo in case sɛ wowura fi biribi a na wafa na waplay na wahwɛ na wakaakae no nyinaa afei nso yɛbɛma wo aduane adi wo lunch a wobɛdi na wia no deɛ yɛde bɛma wo ne nyinaa ka 300 Ghana cedis a wobɛtua no ho na yɛsan kyerɛ wo ɛnneɛma wo wei nyinaa wei deɛ ɛyɛ fofoofo sɛ wopɛ sɛ wobɛsua saa nsa no nnwuma wei nyinaa ɛne ɛbɔmmɔden sɛ ɛbere wei deɛ wobɛba ɛsiane sɛ ewie saa nneɛma yɛbobɔ bɔ so yi nyinaa yɛde foforɔ ɛna bɛba ɛyɛ dako pɛ ɛna yɛde ɛkyerɛw ɛyɛ Saturday 17th July yi mu ne da ɛtɔ so edunson ɛna yɛyɛ no ɛda baako pɛ yɛde bɛkyerɛw nneɛma wei nyinaa kama paa ɛno nti no fa number na ɛda screen so no na send your mobile money ɛde ma yɛn sɛsi a wo send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no ɛde aba send kɔ 0244 294066 0244294066 afei nso wobɛtumi afrɛ saa number ya egu screen so nyinaa na afei ya register ɛyɛ 0244294066 hyɛ no nso sɛ ɛyɛ number baako pɛ ɛna da screen so frɛ yɛn sɛsi a na yɛn register ma wo ɛyɛ 0244294066 frɛ yɛn sɛsi na yɛn register ma wo sɛ yɛka sɛ Kumawood Training Institute a na ɔgye so sɛ ɛnsano dwuma ahemfie bɛyɛ butu
right ɛwusia yɛnsan ɛna mase na ɛwɔ akɔ aba sɛ ogu so ɛhwɛ sinipi live on Kumawood TV ko Facebook a Kumawood TV wobɛtumi like no ahyɛ saa so na YouTube nso ɛyɛ Kumawood TV nti yɛwie koraa no woda wakɔ nyuma nwumere nso obi a wanya bi anhwɛ no wotumi ɛba ne kɔ YouTube Facebook na ɔno nso wa recommend ama no nso atumi ahwɛ bi share na manfo nso enya bi entumi enhwɛ message kakra mo de aba no yankenkan yenyi bi entumi enfa enfree ho we say Mike, I'm complete NPP member, but to tell you the truth, things are not easy. All prices of goods and services has increased. My question is, when are they going to increase the salaries of government workers? Kofi Minka, a stress of high tension and a Kofi Free or the Abba. We say NDC can't say anything good than the NPP government. Okay, one for Udin Ama. Say tell the man is telling lies. I'm a teacher at one of the SHS at Bono East. Even common papers for exams we are not getting. So a teacher named common paper Bono East untimi inyabi and also the Abba. I don't know. Was it good afternoon, Sir Mike? it's great to see you day in, day out on our screens. I congratulate you for the good work you keep doing for Mother Ghana. Please, His Excellency the President has failed majority of Ghanaians in his second term. We need to keep him on toes to fix the country for us before he leaves office. Emmanuel Buama inside Kote. I want to Imadifria and also Eddie Abba. Good evening, Mr. Hosts. I'm Okoto Rasta from Inyan Awodo. Let the NPP man go home and come again. None of his issues are factual. You don't know what he's saying now. Ghanaians have regretted voting for NPP and Nanado. He shouldn't boast himself on the free senior high school. You will not get any job to do after attending. Shame to the NPP. Okay, and also the Abanon. We say good work done, Kumawut Television. Please, it's my wish both NPP and NDC are thrown away from the face of Ghana politics because they have all failed Ghana as a country.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Any wajenche. Please, Pepra Kojo from Offenso. Please, I agree with the NPP man, but still the country should be fixed. Greetings to my mother, Miss Ya Eniwa. Okay. And also Eddie or the Abba. I don't know. So good evening, sir. NPP. What breaking the eight with this quarter of silence, insecurity, hardship, and with this corruption, they should forget we have regretted voting for them into power. We from Peter Gosso and Peter Difria or the Eba. Or say, good evening, Mr. Host. Is Odike always comfortable with you? The way you ask Odike questions are not the same when he goes to other stations. I like the way you interrogate your panelists, but tell the NPP man, all of us will tell our family not to vote for them again, as we did in 2020. Right? And so, Eddie or the Aban. Well, the Akano, if I can kind Eddie, my voice to the Manam they Yamre, M4, M4, M5, Emma Seda, M5, Emma, our travel and logistics. Was it open set Yamea Dom? Now, when you say a crabby or home, yes, a case be a Utukai. I don't know so to come on an idea. Accordingly, we any traveling and talk company. What do you call Buchako Juma? Aye, oh, bra, Omra Hokra, Dubai, hey, and our day cost 3 months visa, Dubai visa, and what they ma plus accommodation for Juma, and you know, or Javis Anamao, or do Dubai, now better be at Daniel Juma, security, Mama Juma, airport, where Juma, Harbor. A teacher for a nurse for Adora for Munano, Akoyan Abba. We and Yazakra correct one pound they come for their man. You know, say, why be paying your cash of Bayer, a dinner cry. I want travel and logistics, and I may come for their amount. So, Sikano, a second, the brand Bishia, Muninkomo, or Robert Edabasum, the Monko, and Gosu Biso, Akako do bin chain, there be, Obakona Bibiano, I ready. Dada. Ope say, Unya, Inchemu, Biwa, 0552. 373027 0552 37203027 ofenwa obeje woso well ame yenwura mu ewo de siye ewo adwura wampani akasa amana da akasa peace council enso akondeme anfu kromo nso akasa Ghana fo nyina ekasa yenwe the issue of the siye the involvement of the military their actions professionally say ne sikoye. And then na in somewhere na abrantie kaka awa Mohammed Oka Ghana fo bi antena say kodini bone no no dika ana say ehunu say na mbrede nso say was waka and waka ye are we living in a country of fear and panic and I say we are living in a country of peace. Well I mean say odike what follow story no
no my cancer
what my cancer
well na waka dey me kwade dem se bia ka jese be ma so ko fie
ala me ka so ko fie me gas am that bad how do I tell him to go
yes be ma be ye bi o me onim no fa se dey bi ti ne pa ne se dey bi ti ne se
yeah
and the whole week ma ko redu bebre
okay
MPP communicators am no mu shia Omunyina turn to another line.
Okay. Line here.
Line and say they are facing the reality.
Okay. Say man koyi.
Ene man koyi.
Omo kan sa.
Omo kan.
Na ko siche mom da soko.
Akwasiche emene na ne wo akoma enano.
Okay. Ono kwa kan bi.
Akwasiche anyway. Ewo one line. Womo makani nyina boy ba ko na Angel FM was me media me twantro. De enye na enye. Ene man koyi.
Okay.
Ama eduma na communication aye na ayedene. But unim uye communication. On kasa nche MPP mbenvo musma no. O kasa chere Ghana for. Eti wudi pada auto a o kasa no. Your integrity is also on the line. Say the pen na asenye. Na nko aseye no.
Ba bia ni pen na so omo use a different goggle.
Na me wie me ba o.
Obi be chichi.
Obi shiawa was papa we party over TV so na so mo kaka ya na bufu. And ebedidi mo na ablante a obebo bra hye nyame ani munyam na obi awuru kasam ne nyama enko yi a wo defend defense
o pesa we ya na otwe
me twe mo
fa asema ni Tony online
no mo fa so we o ye ni papa but baby o ko gina sese no
na emwa no
to on sesa na onye obi a wo ye basabasa
ene amintie no first ewo adwuma bia na futo na ade ma no be na futo na ba no be fa
ma ko madura obefa okofi no
enti we dra ni mesi ye watieti bia
de omu nyina no se o ma bia o person okonenim no the security of the country is paramount. Your security your personal security and your interpersonal security and your national security. Personal security no and interpersonal security no and the cabo mania benya national security. Me say mo to abama na be the president ya. Security e be no course from JSS to university.
Oh, okay.
We need to inculcate security consciousness in the mindset of our people. Ghana for any bambo any constitution no are detached from the government.
Okay.
Ghana for who is a ban with the baby. Yes, we baby. Now I want some women say, when your leadership or security near Marcia oba na 2 minutes the amount muna e bambo no e ya abani ne pedi fon kwa na wo mu no no we use sa powers no e de marginalize the vulnerable and MPP government to estimate the powers, the excessive powers reposed on the executive arm of government is now being used excessively against the vulnerable in the society. Papa we buy no. Me chew nyama be motwe. San ma be dwura. Okay, national security pedimu bi mkotwe no a e call court.
Yeah.
Ikosi omkopro judge former bi omkofa che kwa kalabule kana na say ya fine wo mu na wa no. Omkono na fine no. The Begian nyina hye omboto e won envelope okay papa oka say so wandima tu galamsa ase a wode na konwa beto oka so no abeka asa fe de galamsa e kon no ayedena ma no
here collective effort.
Thank you
nyina yan ka mum ne yenye
me bia nyama bi so a kire oka ayawa so violent okay election you see what Tajima and some other places minua okay abam pedumfo a amanfo a pointing yama against oma what trust like go ebi ni bisu no case no kai one culture of culture of impunity
bisu Charles Bisu is talking about the Galamsey Anas more
okay excavators are 400 akobo kina mai mama dey say confirm do mu ataba it is obvious we make to from paga but the excavator 2 free akopaga what the tabai akodu paga ebesi na yetwura gusu na nakufo ka Ghana for say never in his government and obe tolerate judgment debt. Okay, Wayomi. Oh. When culture of impunity becomes the order of the day, insecurity and violence. And Nana Akufo-Addo, but my culture of impunity, a widespread, a general norm. The people doesn't feel secure. And Abana who said, Ghana for Akobrum Pempensobia, they are coming after the government. And Emma Waya Tamu, I need to go so ye. Is it what the Cabana Sebiano? No, be a victim of the situation. The journalist, I would run here, I met one.
The we are now, Manasi Azuri Denakana. I do, you know, only a swally, I'm a swally.
And I do more than
Manasi so a crabber. It's over how I'm Ghana. What I'm Ghana, do you know why?
Make them once a much of them. Sabwa an international community, anyone. And they are aware. And then look as a police recruitment. All the security agencies recruitment are they publishing, and immigration one way and publishing. Quite fast of our me bedra. Edra, I don't want to go into the medana ikumbueno. Though you're not escalating into baby ababi. Nanado. Your constitution almost every now and then or breach it. Or a commander in chief of armed forces.
Yeah.
The constitution here is to say, your security at the territorial. The so president winning call. It is sort of phone nations. I saw the phone training. I saw more bambo external aggression and we put it.
Yeah.
And I put for the service. I a civilian and police relationship. It is sort of for training, you know, different from approach for training. Route to bar, approach for come first to combat. You know, ya true. Nanado, time and again, as MC are not military. As MC are some internal. I thought there was no much money internal.
It's a jeans of Mukra.
Debbie.
Jeans of Mukra and Yomwa.
Meba. And Samubian will bet my Ghana. You bet Fred military. Nano Crano. In rare occasions, with the SMC, I saw that for now, and Casabian see what because when they will, police will conduct the investigation. You did so meet my woman. Why the presence of the military? I'm a soldier near Cotois, war to two. As for war front. Now there is no way up so that for be move to Abra and look for 1 hour.
Oh, is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Oh, listen, that is the organogram of the force. And through a commander in chief. Now we are a commander in chief. We make my cooperation with Abra 1 hour. I dare to me now. The CDSL forum, they communicate to him in every now and then. Okay, ayawaso. Eba no, place for crossing kofuno mu mu. And never seen ne report na fine. You see, Parliament. You have to about Parliament. I don't know who's a grand diamobo. Satan, you president in.
Obiasu minister.
Obiasu minister. Who ordered the military into the chamber?
They ordered themselves because that time there wasn't any minister.
Meba no. Police. Enima bang. Listen to me carefully. At the plenary, a parliament floor. Only by invitation.
Okay. Then I'm call. omkoye de over that time MPs na nyoma ba na omoto omotwetu obi amfiri amana ne betu aman ne ngui
we no so ono mini eto se na Akufo Addo ya ba we obi a obo Ghana me ka se me bobo so na ye na ewiase enkontompo ampata no kura entwa na try so obeksa obetwa futu agu niam so obekata so eno kura ma monka we na wo mu nyina da ne enkontompo fo ene communicators omu bo mu na so mbeka than to say ye betwa ntro bagana for we've gone past that and communication skills no devalue no because Ghana for a glaring Ghana for the economy. It's when you come and sit here to say, oh, one kasa, oh, manufacture story, what program. You are doing so at your own peril because at the end of the day, your integrity is on the line. Now, now, come on, if you call him that, but you won't know, but he doesn't know you.
Come on, a party.
Oh, listen to me. Party, we are. There's a clear distinction between the party and the government.
The government.
That's true. There must be a clear distinction between the government and
Peace Council abemu o ma condemn na o ma boma mpani abaso say wate wa say interior minister enti committee na
and Peace Council.
You don't know National Peace Council?
Political wing. Omo yeduma man anado. Na obi a enso yira fa Ghana former Asante region. Na Akufo Addo ntimi nye statement. Council of State omo wai. Peace Council omo wai. Abufu a wa abontre no. Se Peace Council for be ya bona baso a. Land Crusade ya mema omunti no mo yesa. They should be very careful. I'm using your platform to signal them say all is all well. So mo be pass bia can check the youth now. Anya sa tangent no so moko. I am telling you. Anya sa tangent na Peace Council ne wa council no e so moko. Go ni braba edu ai fampie to mame. And Ghana for nya hu say ye insecure apart from the SC edura no and now your boy to a way rituals never in the history of this country any random contract killing. Ghanaians are not safe. We are not safe. Now, more for Kofiduma, baby, I will be a Yamisha. Before said another Bebano, Omoko primary, so many lunch Martin. Was a Ghana for so many number 2 million and Akufo Addo. Mona Katamu need that.
Abemwana
abemwe abe Kofiduma wo ye nipa wo ya asha ni wonim de Kenedward na eno mo ye program he said it on air anyema ye tifa ne ho awuruka sema eba political segregation chauvinism nepotism cronyism ni nyina ewa ene within the party no kra no wasala ne nipa bebiri ana
it has no effect on this country.
Charlatans are in positions. I don't know more. About 7 months. Who did form government? Obiana says, one winning election. I will win in Tua. December Nana will settle government. One winning Tino.
Okay.
He didn't have any plans in place.
God's way casket shop. God's way casket shop. And then I yawada. You know, if you are that question, and a na de ni say no onya 120 years ulubai and e krono nyame ado memenda we na e mu ayi na daka no special we no obotuo o yatomfo nti God's way e design otomfo kama e de kwese no nyam unya yie adwuma bia nipa ne ye bia no so no cameraman a o de bra e ma nice one cameraman de pa for daka no nyagro God's way say ayie na wo ye for daka ambulance video coverage and I say ebia na open the friend canopies chairs sound systems ni nyina God's way say adaroma obetimi e de amana ni skakra na o de mawo ukoya yie no wi a na o discover to bia okofa free we na God's way e de emo ne kuma se de baby akwaje nneɛma de ayɛ na mana yɛ fɛ pa God's Way Casket Shop ɛna betumi abɔmɔde a na akwaje bie nso ɛwɔ ɛhɔ 0243737457 0243737457 Kumasi Asafo Labour Roundabout onsani fa so okwa assembly hall no God's Way buha ɛna ɔhɔ kɔ na ontimi amonya yɛ nkwa da busapani to anamo na ɛkɔ hɔ Paul
me pacho say offer ebeka say ebia communicators are official mono they will want to show more frustrations and nema and then they want to toe his line
Debbie
media fortunately for me media I research and I always compare because meaning baby and Ghana for you yeah ba what you say and a baby ya baba bedu what you say and unti so obi ana man for nyina to a liar who fi say ye nyina enkoto a media I research and I read what you say and tin nya de a me se no kra wo hopa me hwe na menka na minto the liar who wa fa show tim say atro and I will beka. She said they will say communicators by intro and yeka. How would you label your colleague panelists and throw and a back a year? That's not right. What I said, that's not right. Well, I changed to so what's your honorable Kofi Juma? Echo Cow, a one. Hello, hello. Is it true? Pacho, true. Pacho to you. I listen. Me say, me know of Anami. Yeah. Me to me ka asemwa onka entone so na me nsusu say of abetima akantino ye pam near function. Okay, I have been with the man close to 21 years. Yes, wherever he goes, every radio bia me onko bia no I have followed him. Nowhere my boy radio station me but Paul because he has said it. He has said it. People are fabricating lies about him. Okay. Which enye no correct. It could be one of the patrol too. It could be it could be one of the propagandas messages NDC for circulate. Ebi anu na what here and I won't can there. Me patrol. One can be one kasa. On kasa anywhere. Me say. He has never ever said that about Akufo-Addo. I monitored the program myself. Kofi Juma me nua pa. Eye ba ifia oba. Me nim ni flash out. We can run on so. Never or respect me. That time no support one na. Yes. During campaign hit campaign. Yes. Okay. And I say enye no correct. Okay. It me dey me catch me offer. Say if he doesn't want to attract any court a year. And I say that say what patrol offer enye right. Okay. What I say enye right sir. What I say because I have followed him. Who the one money sir? This is my follow no. Okay. All this one he has never said that. He has never said that. And I kwa bonti acho na onwa bonti me ka won ka sir. Follow yeah. Why issue statement? Why issue statement? What I say? Why issue statement? Okay. And we saw say it's one of the propagandas where NDC for no to firm because we imagine obetima yes sir in the first place Kofi Kumsen and when you say o make such a huge allegation against Nana-Addo say wona nam wona na didie onimu no o man anti ache so Nana-Addo be di o mampani a Ghana no to say Kofi Juma agrees with Kofi. It's not true. What you say? A friend is a hello FM now monitor. No, no, yes. Media that is not fair. I'm saying. Was it me? But also you're comfortable man with bro. That's it. Very good, sir. Because in this game, you know, and maybe Bibi, I've been with you, and I know how passionate. Oh yeah. Me nkoka bibi ever wo. But if you say you make that statement no. We are aware of that. Me say. I'm for personal statement there. Okay. But there are many tia there. Okay. I will not sit there. The state of insecurity in the country. Say Mike, there make can say edurafo a wo mo ade hye bibi sa ato mo atu nananu mo se do. ebe mo mu nyina yakọ and me dey at any day se nipa nkwa efiri ni mu a ade a hame in person because one of the things that you can never bring it back se ukọ
it is 7 people live so far
what I say
mo ye dey
and I'm say offer say ye kan dwira say na wo de me
ko
magama nwi o de manemi
and I make ewu so say nti whether 7 people o why o amu Kenya ni nyina ewu
na mo the statement aba
and the issue is that and I do the statement aba
flood no
oh me pacho ye kan dwira say mana
na flood nipa natural disaster way nipa ni boni bia
excellency bacho
oh the offer
bacho
offer we
o de won tanya say minimum dey
it the ye can say Nanado ameki a very profound statement the whole world agina to mu say ba economy hihye pa dia e betime atoto na emom nu say obi nkwa efi ne sa enu de ontimi mfamba enu abri ni bri nyina no eye ne hihye mu say opebo Ghana fo ho ban and indeed enana mema o a clear example wo Asante Achimagogo aye bae yama peace a prevail ewo ho oti ase wo kai ekuro bia na ye friend boko andani ni wan hwan abeni bri nyina metro masa ko boko na ye hu etuo wom ni ade andananado abusia wo mu nkambom ene ya mu akambom a
otumfo aye na dwuma awie o te kokoso
offer
eminent
offer me say andananado oti ase yetime ka abusia na bomu a nanado kura ya to ni din say abudani ana anya dukre eti eba asumdwe pa dia nobody can take it away from us what you say yetutu ye niema pa recently you hear some journalists and we are not safe and we are not safe you are not safe okikaka without any basis oh na about 1 week ago
you say that
na patriotie about 1 week ago we been a babon to say Ghana na ye the second safest city the safest country meboa me pato meboa na
aka buchasem
oh me pato want sa ade no want sa ade no oti anase want eti the journalist no ti wa we are not safe no na the base say ye den say Mike you can go on with propaganda I say aban no nemo the reality no there eno abeba abonten ababa be expose you nipa nkwa free mu a me de mempe nemo mu no ye security aye wey me nua ye man wan do yesu because what is going on in other countries no is so terrible so here Burkina Faso people are fleeing from their country to Ghana officers tumye ni ha enko free ni mamun nko oba and I know na watwi ya about 44 Nigerians upper west ya start deporting them from omo ana Semak
why din pa o
me bacho ana want
woni Ghana for do atelande oyen to mo Ghana
of about mama
3 million
patu tima mo
say whatever is going on in our neighboring countries enya the papa so we are expecting pockets of sanya money be e Ghana
you call this pocket
what did the cannot because say wuti ya we ya anasa we say cry ya we ya obviously we say wuti ya that is way down because you cannot take Ghana away from West Africa and Africa you can so Sanya money statistics is here. It's likely we're going to have those money be kaka. But the way a man I also handle no and very very important. Sure, yes security for no. One more bomb de pa na debia I'll commend them. But sometimes the way a manner in their approach and say Mike I was here no yes na if any form of training any other idea was here no omunya no yetimi aboa emomo anya and indeed se wo bisa so a ansana nanado danko akofo ado aban ye ba na Ghana police wo mo cars wo mo wanyina da wo mo wo in their stock was 450 nanado danko akofo ado ba various variety of cars buses pickups what have you close to 800 and Kwan what the Ama Ghana police. What you say? The UN police to citizen ratio. What's that? 1:500. Before Nanado, it was 1:1300. Now, 1:806. What you say? Now, no, I have 1:800. What you say? Yeah, boy, home modern say international standard, no, you bet me akko na yakwa kodru. That is the status ayo. Now, a grade, no, say, I bring no. See, any politics, you know, and free more. People now, the very corporate, they will hide behind politics. And now political parties, you know. Now, so I'm with the body because Omo him say, some koyes are no kodane na MPP and this year. Asem no to beka. Okay. Nipa na kaka na o free mu no. Minia MPP for are we beneficiary of violence? What you say? So man ni mu ye kaka. Eye dede a. Are we the one to benefit? So why would MPP for ever koyes ade no? You always ensure that there is peace and tranquility. I will mind him.
Utie ne audios, the videos are not oya. People have the belief say because they're not criticizing the government, and especially leadership.
The video near the oya Jacob Nakuna. Or for what you hear, what they are seeing and to say on the abine or by washing down every day. Obia and Bibi. I am Bibi. Oh, be I me for one example. Messi man for one example. I did personal. Okay. Oh, me Tokro. Me contractor me Messi man for one example. Certificate. Messi man for one. Man for one example. If you are may their soul rest in peace. Amen. But any the kind of political victimization you go through. Yanka, but my mayor. My certificate was about America. 2 years of moon try. Me chasing certificate, no. Me wa nobody contract for come me key. Me near ma me walk and be you mark. Omun terminate contract, no. Say Mike. And it's a court. Say Mike. I have found you America. One I want to walk because 30 years. I
the truth must be told. Our homeland Ghana is full of hardship, intolerance. The ordinary is living in pain and tears. Innocent souls are shot dead. Today, the ordinary Ghanaian can exercise his or her constitutional right under this President Akufo-Addo. The man of peace has turned to a man of war. May God have mercy on us. My regards to lawyer Elizabeth Ofusu Ejare, MP, Techiman North. If James Opoku, Deputy Youth Organizer, Techiman North, and the Abba. We also say, Mike, a man of peace has, okay, I think, message na was I repeat. We also there, I say, NPP, Mr. Host, okay. Wow. Okay, Mr. Host, there are a lot of problems concerning this free SHS, but because they will transfer you, you are, if you are a headmaster or a teacher, you can't talk. Come and see some children can't write their names. SHS form BC. NPP is collapsing under educational system. We say good evening, Sir Mike. Ghanaians are not safe under the leadership of the president Nana Akufo-Addo. You can't speak your mind. What country are you living in? Oh, I'm a Ghana. Teacher Karim Tepa. Or the fear or the Abba. Kumawo TV Bravo. I am Nana Kweku Reku. I'm watching your show for the first time, and I can say you are bringing the next president to Ghana. The man Udike is talking with facts. I think if he is God fearing, he can be the savior of Ghana. The question is, please, is he a businessman? If yes, then I pray he comes up with his party. He already has a party. was say for the MPP and NDC, Ghana is tired of them. Okay, and also there, what me the Abba and we say from Dadieso, Nana Ado, Aten, okay, IDC, Okahia, where you are, can Mate, we say good news, Sir Mike, your show is clear. I'm watching you from Tepa. In fact, Odike and Paul are doing well, but your questions are pushing Paul to defeat more. If some people sit somewhere and say your country is safe, and you people are being killing, your people are being killing. I think that's what your people are being killed. As a reasonable people, are we safe? That is a question you are asking, Mr. Host. The insecurity in this country is too much. We are sitting on a time bomb. The intimidation after speaking your mind is something sad. Abrakwa Achim Apedja Abrakwa South and Abrakwa Difria and also Eddie Abba. Who say man no day? Man day, Papa. When Kofi Jima said it, his aide is there to defend Kofi Jima. Call Kofi Jima himself to lie that he did not say this. Odike, don't fear. We Kwame or the other Kwame. Well, Paul, first moment, just a minute. Now, me voice. And for
Mike, eti the American is say, I was saying, you know, ye boa na mono, ye na no ye hwe na ehihye no etimi ye adwuma. Endra president the statement about say Minister for Interior on hwe na onti committee na omo hwehwem na going forward you know ye hu kwan a ye be fa so a I think that is what we expect the president to do.
Are you sure?
And that Jose,
are you sure?
Oh, why not?
People have the view say so be about one thing president Abekasa Fahodia.
Yeah.
And the president is not being fair because the Kotu Abano, he was the president. We lost a lot of souls. Yeah. The president did not make any comment about that. It is a president can say that is what we expect the president to be doing. Then why was the president so silent about the killings course, or either it was right or not right during the elections?
During the elections, I said, okay, this is one account.
Obiangu.
Me mantis Obiangu. Me mantis. But we are not going to sit in this country. You be use NDC yastic. There be a never set the agenda may follow. I'm here to talk about a drug case. And our president did a statement about say we no enter committee in that is where we have to tackle it from. Now going forward, you know, how are you see atoto ye niema no? That is what ye nyina expecting. What I said. And you know, another way is so important to me.
Okay. It's
about the reportage from the media.
Okay. Then of course, so just a minute near more voice with the
and the American say
yeah, reporting here now.
Yes, but me Jami who you say hey youth na wa Federal blockade kwama kan ko kama eti esrebambo fo say wo mun konkwohwe sa niema. And when you have such reportage
and you get there
when you
and you realize kwanim blockade ya, what do you do?
But the can say okoya e kwanim blockade no and no answer do ha no ochu.
Okay, do kwana block no. That's one thing. Do kwana block no. And I was all then.
And I may say the police there no also called for military intervention.
Okay.
Now the police ni after military ni say police ni who actually na na say they need way up. Obi so omo ko omo dey aben na ebebo man.
Right. Yeah, share mo voice so that Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ko ATB Escafo amate ho na Malam wo say yare bia obi an both spiritual and physical bra na ontimi emo ko ATB na Malam Muhammad na kache no ewo ekere edam diabetes hypertension oba no na no so nsu odwo so kete so ana se bia opesika odwuma sam nkoso ni na Malam sebra na ontumi emo o hawo ne ma na bia no de oba Malam ebeboa 0246647247 0246647247 no frɛ Malam obe je wo so sa za ta na the party clinic and say yan kan jo say yare bia obi anam momodia na ebra na ontumi emo yare bia wani kura na efira so ba nyame adom so omodin na watumi ate ade amaw Tawhid numbers no 0278626262 0278626262 na afi omo etimi abodi Kumasi Bwadi Junction Odium ha na obehu Tawhid mo voice audio mode abaron e mo akra na afi yenti
Shemak Pachoma we are not only now okay na adjustment DC no emu na abai aposifo no so emu ya for so abai ho abai no akekunti amana kudi pa transfer amana kwa fanye na media me ha panse base so for no ko jisika e puse nya sa fo kana no sa so fo ya me twa ne kan
oh Debbie mon finance ba mon finance
do ka sa nya sa fo mu we no
no ya pa
Jodi kama ipelance mpa o he ni suggestion ayo de bana o say yes na bi mu do na ni so na ni bi so me dana se pa na se mark de bia ye kan se MPP abanya bi o wa mu ni o ni se bia tan le tan MPP ni tan o no kre ewo na ye kan se Mike okay se asonse police fo ko tutu kun nke mo fo so mo se mo ya ngo bes e ba chiwo sai fifi mu na be fifi mu police ni na soja ni be ne ko tutu a odi sa bone na o de na famra kwan so aya wo so bi ko siye ko fo ado ka jenze se ngo fo no onyere odi mpanishi obia manasi onoso omukun
okay ode na abro 1 minute
hello good evening when the cham program is when the magin chere say I MBB need o kasa too much the only Ghana and the also Ghana he Jesus bisa pro biga
well yeah go so yeah say between them voice audio no to me Eddie Abramo well now information on confirm reports I nyane say honorable says be came mayor who said no contest no
hello good evening when the cham was in the program is when the manager say I MBB need all kasa too much I said the only Ghana and the also Ghana in Jesus be some bigger just say only kasa na to my na the course within the Francis every year
that's the Francis
hello good evening when the cham was in the program is when the manager say I MBB need all kasa too much I said the only Ghana and the also Ghana in Jesus be some bigger just say also Shemak good but you say man na o kasa so o ka na se we umiru hwe na na ku from say afiwe e ya fia e be boy masa Shemak aso make me to say the man pa so mo ni ya no say the few kind it is e ko kuma say e kwani ye pache na say yi
okay
but to be man ya man say kwani ye pache kwani wa na say yi kwani baba
okay era say
Mr. Mike no need to mapa
era say
I say Mr. you are going to get my say the company no sign akudu or start a company that Cassandra enga or branches or countries bear 17 so grand and Jan as my kasa or the travel that ku for chino baba obi our company go want to grow and do you say the country shall as manager between
okay era say
Mr. Mike
dajoso
the family Abdulsalam Kasa free Kumasi
okay
na MPP ni no te hono ngeme mo kana me kwa I'm so when you be a cracker better winty. No man the casa says me. As I couldn't move before Ghana for more. And Casas and not your can quite jack. There's some 2 by my people, man, and some bra. Pim. There's a Ghana for so can a cosu. Na, me tell me to no be raffle. And now we are Ghana near branch and now walk Ghana. I did cheat the big deep company and everything. It's immediate. Maybe I send you a catch up for the name of Uncle Nenny. Na, if we are say, Uncle say, send your dear, a china, and your dear.
Yes, so let us say, my Joseph. Okay.
Your friend me, Beku Francis, inside Bono.
Okay.
Mepacho mention program na program here match executive. Mepacho catch the MPP man or what say. So only factor more on ba mistake in using Mbekasa. It's as say studio now we ban educated public. It is only communication skills that Uncle Nungusia one. That's it.
Then so let us say. Well, unconfirmed reports. Let me say that. Everybody say, me Mofa, Kerry Mayor, SSB, say, and they say, oh, yeah, free race, one, so no, every draw at the free KME race no emu. Well, yeah, baby, Yamre, Nayabusano, we unconfirmed reporter, Ashasia, Eba, Benyamre. Na Phoebe or China to me and no Eddie Home and come away and faster and far Emma Kumawood Training Institute. Kumawood Training Institute. As I can see a part and call Emfa Emma. Say indeed, I'm here on the 17th and another skill training no airbus or 3D. Sanso and I hear quite fast to obey and wa now why a mire you know free ones so I sancho quite fast all day and near a ben Pabua Kumadia, Ibia Gunsa, Edibia watch and now hey. And I feel so no, we be back in there. We decide pesticide in there. Every morning now yet to me actually. Yamia Dumwa on the 17th now 300 Ghana cedis and Sika ye jiwo shedding so say 300 Ghana cedis and ye jiwo na we know pen drive certificate can ho e ma de obedie u fa cheese na be ma be abeda na mo fi kroba akoso na mo bana we ni pa numu a ye chamba akosika so ba mo fanya shopping Evanko na yaje mo nan ede obefre e 0244 249 066 0244 249 066 na fi yetimi ajo so asedabiu enko emfa ema Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic Madam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center so na Gospel Casket Shop and afi our travel and logistics se opetu tukanya bra Dubai nko ade a adwuma ho a mo do beko akopi mo ho na fi bia no etimi akoso e dem mentra Ghana ma won kire sa wo bra bitu tukwan so akobɔ bra mo de na bra na omuntimi emu a well na me ba ko birthday Vasti Darlington multiple engineering services eba no Vasti happy belated birthday to you ene afi nyamempa yese oman kwatenten a wodi wo munyansa nimde na oman no se de odike ka se ekochie unyini a mepeja nsuo na oman no enkoso yi entumi enfama odike
yemra no aya musi medmo adwuma na ekoso pa
oh okay
ye be mu se the construction kra be kan edimo munya gidi o memu mo bia ba mu odike ventures eda so ho ye factories bibra ebi kra obi krom sesi aye si da no edimo mo de Ghana ma me metimi aye na wo ma mpesa mo de Ghana ma wo mu no ye wura ba wo mia oni factory
okay
ba bibi for person mo de neba or di pay a free Ghana government ho ba me so na me diska ko ene atua ba wo mia ka
okay
na na kufu ado me na me diska ko ene atua ne ka eti difference wo me ne say odike a self-made person
okay
obi antua me kada ba me na me diska ko eme edi tua na kufu ado ka me na me diska ko eme edi tua ba wo mia ka eti mo de Ghana mamia minim kwa fa so pesta mo man no ti meya dwuma aboa at businesses mo aba apaja mabunu dodo na mo amukasa no ma training nipa makomako 200
wow
ah mo ye business takunfo a mo ye dwuma eti wa frɛ no o pa dwuma ya bra me ma ontete a wakasa so we
successful business
ya di anu sie no MPP ni ndi so mu ni bibia magana bi mu o ma short ideas o mo bota radio so a we so ba we say yes so ba justification to o man no o mo the policies of equalization ana aba ana o man ni chichi no maja to edu ya babuna be di odikachi na wonu da if you say ya ye bida ye betumi aye wonyame hira mu nyina
right
semotie ye dam
yes so His Excellency Akwasi Adewodike, leader and founder UPP Amanyukuno and out in Kawase Ode Ohe now ye mebunu Brabinchi Neshese Wabrabu Masetem Abeko say my colleague Emmanuel White a colleague journalist Eastern Regional correspondent Emmanuel White Ima Emma birthday and on behalf of the entire crew Kumawu TV ya wishe Madam Esther Nyameche Deborah and your birthday on behalf of the entire crew Kumawu TV and Alfi Wankasa Oba Tutomucho Emmanuel White yama happy birthday mommy na me wishira no nyo kase pa kopim se obe kase amano abroso wow yawe na yemfense nyame atoma niwa de biase anwa na me old man 120 years and a trading upon the chair no wanyara na ho within a month or yare no ano and okoye fiada memenda kwesi da so ame adoma ekọ ya koja na kwan kura nti abuziafo no bia no mo bia yakọ na yada nyame ase se Ebenezer ebodi abedu enimidin ede se Mike ha Kumawu TV aseda enko ma production crew Bernard Ade Samuel Kwabena Dakon ebi nso enko emfa ema otwi nozo Loretta and Afi Augustina and Afi my cameraman, the controversial cameraman, and so Kobe Frank, and then the producer, director, Sam Dakus. Midi Eddie Michael, Nana Admako Semaki. I mean, I don't know the chair na yetiasi bia kama wachina 4 to 6 evesensia ne nyamre SNP. A very good evening.
Animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akom obi wo ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne tini enwo ye ketekete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa oba bi na wono ne kodaye afede ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achikide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no wo be hu na say abɛyɛ mmerɛ
okay